happy?
But
I'm
give
just
me
trying to
one
find out.
word.
Contentment. I mean, when I'm satisfied, I'm happy. I mean, if I have to really describe in one word,
And when are you satisfied?
when things are fulfilled,
What type of things are fulfilled?
it again depends on the thing.
So if you were to choose one thing, your prime happiness, what would
Okay.
it be?
It requires me to think a little bit
Sure,
more.
think about it.
Okay.
For Kali?
Thinking right now.
Okay.
Difficult, huh? Contentment was the first thing.
Right. But that is
Yeah, that's an outcome.
How do you get to the contentment?
Yeah,
point?
precisely.
That's
This is more of an outcome than
Exactly.
Now,
Mahiba?
I think one word would be connection. To connect with my tribe, people I can understand me.
So connecting
Finding
with
random
people.
status.
Connecting.
Yeah.
Salman?
conversations.
Conversations make you happy.
Self-respect. That makes me happy.
Self-respect.
Yeah, it's my. I've realized that it's my most important value. Anywhere I go, anywhere I work, and I can only work with such people who give me that self-respect. That's where I feel happy.
Sajad?
Enjoying the moments.
अच्छा. कोई particular moment?
Whatever scenario you are in, just enjoy it.
So हर moment में
Yeah, you
ठीक.
just enjoy it, live the moments.
आप फैसल?
I usually tend to feel with the real people, the people who are actually have their guards down and not on a superficial level, because then you can be yourself and making, and what makes me feel happy is being myself, and whatever that is.
Now that is a much better thing.
Being yourself.
Being yourself makes you
Yeah.
happy. That's brilliant.
That's a good one.
That's brilliant.
I guess that's a pretty, difficult one to get to. Yeah, but I think being vulnerable at times, I think really makes me feel happy. You know,
Oh.
everything is,
Yeah.
that's I guess is a moment that I really
Nothing to hold back, nothing
hold
to
back.
hide.
Anybody can do anything, sort of thing. So you're really vulnerable and then you're in sync.
Nice. जी ज़ीशान भी कुछ बोलेंगे आप?
I think when things are done in my way, maybe that is what makes me happy.
Oh wow.
I would like to be very candid about it.
नहीं.
This is what makes me happy when things are done the way I want the things to happen.
ठीक.
This is what I get.
अब आपने जितने ये आंसर्स दिए हैं उसी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से रखें. What's stopping you? If that is your happiness, what's stopping you?
Okay, there are probably fears in terms of what would happen in case as I said, mine is vulnerability in terms of being true to myself, and also the fact what would happen. I guess crossing over that fear factor, I guess
Right.
is the only thing. But I guess once that you're through that, nothing really stops you.
And sociologically, we are trained to conceal, to be guarded as well.
Yeah, at times, and also probably have that sort of behavior that particular context then asks us to be in.
अभी यही तो बात हो रही थी, आप शायद उधर थे कि जी कुछ फेसेस ऐसे होते हैं कि जैसे वो हैं वो उनके शो अया हो जाते हैं उनके उसके ऊपर. तो मैंने कहा उसमें क्या बुरी बात है?
Actually, जो बन भी रहे होते हैं, the one who poses to be a fool is not a fool actually. लेकिन जो बन भी रहे होते हैं तो एक्चुअली लोगों को पता तो चल ही जाता है ना कि that's what they are doing.
Right.
And eventually one way or the other, एक दिन बाद, 2 दिन बाद, महीने बाद, people will make out. So I think तो इतना 1 महीना ज़ाया करने का क्या फायदा? Better be yourself.
सही बात. वो सॉरी आपकी बात करती निशान, वो कहीं मैंने पढ़ा था that you might as well be yourself because everyone else is taken already.
You're right.
Right? So we might as well.
मुझे 4 महीने लगे थे उसके संग सेटिंग करते, और 4 अगले लगे थे विंटर.
मेरा तो नहीं है,
आपका ब्लूटूथ कनेक्टेड था, हमारा तो नहीं.
तो ये क्या चल पड़ा है?
ये आप सुनते हो?
ये आपकी
अच्छा.
romanticness चल रही है.
This is what makes you happy.
This is what makes me happy. That's true. What makes me happy is this sunset here.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
You said that.
Yeah.
What's stopping you, Zishan?
I do what I think I should be doing. I do not be very afraid. Perhaps the people around me, they try to stop me.
manage the situation. And you know, every opportunity, every situation has something to offer you. So you know, really nothing can get you on a stopping stage anywhere in the world. So just keep moving.
Nice.
Bravo, very good, yeah.
Ali, what's stopping you? Conversations, you said.
Yeah. So having the space to actually talk.
Explain
You
a
know,
bit.
so we have the space to talk about normal things. How are you? What's the answer you get? You get fine.
Yeah.
No one wants to listen to that.
Yeah.
It takes time. You need a space. For example, a space like this is good for conversations because I'm far away from everything, so I can talk. I can be myself. 30 minutes I can fake it. Then I have to be myself. I have no option. Then I see the real person. Then you can talk about other things. What matters to you. So this is what I think that stops us. That's why I enjoy these spaces where I can, just go away for a while.
So how do you like this space, this boat here? The happiness boat.
Oh. The time I think we talked about it a week back.
Yeah.
And I was looking forward to that. I said, when can I do that?
Anna?
It's just about when.
So, Mahaba, what's stopping you, darling?
I've been actually thinking about that answer for 5 minutes and I can't really think of an answer now because
It's okay.
I haven't had any inhibitions when it comes to connecting now. I mean, the worst that can happen is people might not find me the right person to connect with, and that's okay because that's what this is about exactly, right? To find the people that are right for you. So I don't think nothing has stopped me doing that for a while now. From doing that.
By the way, Mahaba, this angle, you're looking gorgeous with the sun streaming.
Thank you.
I think it's really, really
Yeah, so
And this is going live right now.
going live, yeah. So that's
Ew.
question.
Yeah.
I didn't know it's going live.
Everybody, hello, everybody say hello. Yeah. Yeah. Faisal Lodhia ji.
All right,
Devanand.
you got me here. When
Devanand.
I said
Yeah, and Zofi. Yeah, Farkalit. Yeah, there you go. And Zishan.
Hello.
Very good. और ये हैं जी यासिर. यासिर का इंटरव्यू नहीं हुआ. यासिर, ये आपने क्रूजेस का बिजनेस कब शुरू किया था?
I started like 2 years back.
Yeah, why? You were in the corporate world. Why did you come to this field of entertainment and looking after this?
Yeah, I see a lot of opportunity क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई entertainment है नहीं है. You see in Karachi, the sea is dead. The only thing is to go in the malls, watch movies, or go in a restaurant, you eat some steaks. That's it. So what the vision I have in my mind is to activate the coastline from Karachi till Gwadar
nice.
and providing the hospitality services.
Very good.
So that's a small thing I'm trying to do last 2 years, gathering up boats, building them,
Excellent.
watching people smile, enjoying here.
Nice.
Good.
It's the best time. I see.
doing the great work.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oceanic Cruises rocks, man.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So now we've joined hands with you, so we'll be doing these programs more often, right?
Looking forward to it.
Yeah,
Thanks.
absolutely. Yeah. And you guys are the first ones to come, man.
Yeah.
So hence it's my invitee. Next time it will be paid.
All right, that also going on live.
It better be. So, Eamon, so what's stopping you from the happiness that you said? Like, respecting yourself or self-respect. What are the barriers to your happiness in that aspect?
I don't think there are any barriers, but I like certainty in certain aspects of my life. And I enjoy uncertainty as well. So when I don't have certainty in those aspects, let's say financial, let's say love life, let's say family and leisure time, I've realized that I'm a very logical and very chunked down person. I need very clear instructions, very clear details. So when I don't have that, when I lack that clarity, that makes me extremely unhappy and dissatisfied with the things that I'm doing. So मुझे वो detail पसंद है, मुझे वो that gives me control, and I don't plan much, but I hate plans being cancelled. So if I've taken my time or something, and if I've taken somebody's time, I want to be there. मुझे वो certainty पसंद है.
Zishan, क्या sunset है यार?
Where you can be yourself, that is your happiness. So what's stopping you?
Okay, nothing stops me from being happy, but actually it doesn't entirely depends on me. Of course, when other people are involved in today's fame, everyone has the agenda, and so in order to be happy, I need to have a very crystal person. So that's why mostly I'm very happy with my childhood friends, because we know how we've been through everything. And the reason I got really connected with you guys, it was very spontaneous and it's a moment. And we had a nice conversation because I had my guards down, you had your guards down, and we felt connected because you guys were real. So nothing stops me, but of course it doesn't depend on me entirely. So yeah, people stops the whole process of happiness.
फैसल लोधिया क्या बोलता तू वैसे यार, तेरी आवाज ही बड़ी अच्छी है।
लेकिन बात सही बोली मैंने।
बहुत बड़ी प्यारी बोली तूने।
रेडियो।
हाँ रेडियो, he's got a radio voice, हाँ, he's got a radio voice.
Radio voice.
एक चीज रियलाइज करें, सबने जो हमने अभी हैप्पीनेस का वो दिया है ना, we gave an answer outside of our own selves, where we are dependent on other people for our happinesses. You realize that? I mean, in some way we all are. No man is an island upon themselves. We do need people, but we cannot give that responsibility, or we cannot put that responsibility on other people. आपको पता है locus of control एक होता है, एक circle है जिसे locus of control कहा जाता है, उसके अंदर वो चीजें हैं जिसके ऊपर मुझे 100% control है, and outside of that maybe a circle of influence, और उसके बाहर circle है जिसपे कोई control ही नहीं, और अक्सर हम उस पे depend करते रहते हैं to make us happy, but it is my responsibility. एक जिसको कहते हैं ना छोटी छोटी खुशियाँ, हम बड़ी हैप्पीनेस के इंतजार में रहते हैं. If I find the love of my life, if I find the perfect car, if I become a millionaire, billionaire, if I do this, if I do that, and we lose out in the moment, as Sajjad said, कि इस वक्त तो वो कुछ भी नहीं है ना, इस वक्त मैं कैसे खुश हो सकती हूँ. तो हार्वर्ड बिजनेस रिव्यू ने एक रिसर्च की थी, तो उन्होंने कहा कि rather than waiting for bigger happinesses, find happinesses in the small thing, like the sunset. It's beautiful. This is what happiness should be. Or having your morning cup of tea, or a song playing, your favorite song playing on the radio as you're driving to the office, and double those things every day. If conversation makes you happy,
Sometimes singing to yourself makes one happy.
Absolutely, singing.
Do you know how to sing?
dancing.
You want to sing?
He's a very good singer.
You want to sing us a song, please?
You want me to sing live?
Yeah. Do you have any problem
Yeah,
with that?
What do you guys want me to sing?
Okay, cool. Anything that makes you happy.
बागों में फूलों के खिलने से पहले तेरे मेरे नैनों के मिलने से पहले
ये म्यूजिक था पीछे.
कहाँ थी ये बातें मुलाकातें ऐसी रातें.
वाह यार.
टूटा तारा था जीवन मेरा, बस गया प्यार इसमें तेरा. पूरा कागज था ये मन मेरा, लिख लिया नाम इस पे तेरा.
The highlight of the happiness.
Yes.
And
You
now,
should do what makes you happy.
Yes.
That is the main thing. But overall, 3 चीजें हैं जो कहते हैं कि decide whether you're going to be happy or not. So I'll ask you 3 questions regarding that. जब कोई चीज आपको ट्रिगर करती है, प्रोवोक करती है, उसके 3 responses हो सकते हैं. I react, I stay calm, or I solve that issue. So first is react or get angry. Second is stay calm. Third is do something about it, solve the problem. तो कौन सा आप choose करेंगे? 1, 2, 3.
I would choose 3. Right.
What you choose and what you do.
What you do? Initially, I used to react.
React first now. One.
Because now I try to solve it.
You're trying. We are all trying that.
Yeah.
Calm down.
Yours is second. You calm down. You calm yourself down. And third is that you solve the
Solve
problem.
it, yeah, precisely. But it's, I guess, a learned behavior more than the sort of, you really have to get into that mode. unless until you realize the fact that what's happening to you, you cannot just do that sort of behavior. Because what happens is, because just neuropsychology wale mode mein ki wajah se, I guess you get into that, you know, jump, that you know, that hijack that happens in your head.
Yeah.
And then you sort of do this fight or flight wala response just gets into there. But you really need to sort of consciously think that what you're supposed to do. थोड़ा सा अगर you know बात सेंसिटिव कर दो थोड़ी सी.
हाँ, मैं कैमरा बंद कर दूं? कर
नहीं कर. Because you know बहुत सी बातें हो रही हैं, so मैं अक्सर मिसाल जब भी कहीं जाता हूँ, I try to give examples of my family या घर या home या बेगम, because वो अक्सर लड़ाई झगड़े उधर से होते हैं ना उधर, right? So घर ऑफिस वगैरह सब ठीक रहता है, बट घर में तो होता है ना, आपने सोचा होता है मैंने आज नहीं लड़ना है ना, कुछ नहीं होना बिल्कुल, बट उनको ऐसी मजेदार चीज निकल के आती है जिस पे लड़ाई शुरू हो जाती है.
सही.
He's liking the whole bachelor life.
You're actually right.
Exactly.
Go on.
Right. So then you say कि यार नहीं, consciously I would not let my, you know, amygdala getting hijacked.
Right.
And then you need to solve. So I developed certain techniques. I said कि मैं सांस लूँगा 2-3, then I realized कि नहीं, मेरा response ज़रूरी नहीं, अगर मैं नहीं भी response दूँगा तो क्या हो जाएगा.
सही.
So this, you know, that's the reaction that you said in terms of, you know, कि सुकून करो and then हल करने की कोशिश करो.
सही.
But in years of that experience, I realized the times the other person, अब मैं थोड़ा सा ऑफिस वाले मोड में भी आ जाऊँ, just wants to share something with you और आपको बताना चाहते हैं, आपका reaction नहीं चाहिए होता लोगों को. जब आप रियलाइज कर लेते हैं तब आप काफी बेहतर तौर पे अपने कंट्रोल, सो ये लोकस ऑफ कंट्रोल थिंग दैट यू रियलाइज यू कैन कंट्रोल योरसेल्फ, नॉट दैट कि वो अगले आपको कंट्रोल करें, यू कैन, बट दैट्स अ लर्न्ड बिहेवियर.
नो डाउट.
योर नेचुरल बिहेवियर इज टू रिएक्ट. और ऐसी क्रूजेस के नतीजे में हम सीख लेते हैं.
फिर से बोल.
और ऐसी लव क्रूजेस के, लव ही था ना वर्ड,
Hey! It's called no. It's called. Asif, turn the camera towards me. It's called a Freudian slip, guys.
अच्छा, मैं जरा बोर्ड का टूल ले लूं नीचे कभी.
I'll continue with the talk.
Here goes another day. February 15th.
अच्छा तरीका ये है कि तुम अगली दफ़ा जब जाओ ना घर में, तो उस वक्त खैर लड़ाई वाला सीन नहीं था, लेकिन उसने कहा अगर लड़ाई के लिए भी एक सिचुएशन तुम्हें बताता हूँ, घर जाते क्या ना, जैसे लड़ाई शुरू हो गया ना, मैं कुत्ता हूँ.
क्या कहूँ?
मैं कुत्ता हूँ, तो लड़ाई ख़त्म हो जाएगी. अच्छा, मैं उस दिन घर गया, लड़ाई नहीं हो रही थी, मैंने कहा यार अब तो हो ही कुछ नहीं सकता, तो खैर लड़ाई शुरू हुई, मैंने बोला मैं कुत्ता हूँ. बेगम ने कहा हाँ वो तो मुझे पता है, पर
यार आपने अच्छा किया कि फैमिली को लाहौर वापस भेज दिया. Now your real happiness will start in Karachi.
And this is live.
And my wife is very active on Facebook.
So please tell their family.
Your wife is what?
Very active on Facebook. हाँ तो अभी कोई थोड़ी देर में आ जाएगा.
Say hi to her.
Hello.
I missed you.
Yeah.
I missed you, Corona.
Yeah. I missed you. Yeah.
All right, guys. February 15th, another day gone. The sun is going down. So this is the perfect time to just observe the sun.